Hey everyone, welcome to another video by Python Pool. In this video, we'll be seeing a simple Python program to unzip a zip file. So we'll be giving the name of the zip file and it will unzip all the directories, all the folders, files present in that file. So let me show you the demo program. So I gave the name. There was 3 files in this zip file and it extracted all of them, and here is the name of my zip file and here are the 3 files which it extracted. Let's delete these files so we could try our result. Let's delete that one. Let me delete this. Okay, so now we'll be heading over to our program. Let's code a file, name it as test.py. We'll be using pyzip module. We'll be using zip file module for that one. So make sure when you run this program you have that module installed. So from zip file import zip file, the zip file, and set the name of your file, that is file name. Let's give our file name is akash.zip. okay, and for let's open this zip file with zip file, and zip file what? Zip file this file name. So it will take this file name to unzip and it will open it in reading format and call it every file as zip. What we need to do, we need to print, that is zip dot print directory. So it shows how many directories, how many files are there in our zip file, and after that extract all. So zip dot extract all, and after extracting all, just print us the message that extraction done. So once we hit save, once we run this program python test.py, you could see it extracted these 3 files, and after that it prints extraction done. And if we see in our folder if the extraction is done or not, yes, there are the extractions. So I hope you understand this program. I hope you like this program. That's it from this video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.